how to invite friends in Dragon City. So I'm going to explain how this works. You want to click on social in the bottom left corner, and then you will see the friends tab. Click on here we go. Alright, so from here, the first thing that you have to do is connect your Facebook account. So you will just select sign in with Facebook and go through the prompts to connect your Facebook account. Once you have your account connected, then what this is going to do is make all of your friends from Facebook appear here, the ones that play the game. And you can visit their island by clicking on the button next to them. And if you want to invite them, what you can do is text them directly to begin playing the game. So like I said, if you text them, why don't you try Dragon City? If they accept, they will appear in your social tab here as long as you're friends on Facebook, and that's gonna in turn make you friends in Dragon City as well. And that's essentially how you invite friends. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.